Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Today we are going to go over the hidden menu, I guess they would call it, to get into reset your oil life resetting, I guess is what you call it, for an 06 to 2011 HHR or a 05 to 2010 Cobalt. Of course, you got your normal settings here, and if you go through and hit the info button right here, we'll run through. Let's get it focused, and we've got, you know, your normal settings to run through for your tires, everything. Of course, ignore mine TPMS obviously has to be redone on this car, but if you're needing to reset your oil, you can't be moving when you do this, but you press both these buttons at the same time, this one and this one, and it'll go straight to oil life reset. But if you also go through here, you've got other settings where you can change up the units to English, remote start settings, lock horn settings, unlock horn settings, lights flash settings, delay lock, auto unlock all, unlock shift to park, exit lights, and then it goes back to your normal. But as I was saying, for your oil, both buttons, oil life reset, hold down that button, acknowledged. You go here and look at the oil life now. We are at 100%.